We'll guide you through how to install DaVinci Resolve on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head over to the official Blackmagic Design website. Once there, navigate to the DaVinci Resolve section. You'll see an option to download the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Click on the download button and choose the Mac version. You'll be prompted to fill in some basic details like your name, email, and country. After submitting, the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it, and you'll see a package installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You might need to enter your Mac's password to authorize the installation. After the installation completes, you can find DaVinci Resolve in your Applications folder. Click on it to open, and you'll be greeted with the Setup wizard to help you configure initial settings. Make sure your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for DaVinci Resolve to ensure smooth performance. You can now start exploring the powerful video editing features DaVinci Resolve has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.